What's up guys, this is Tutorial Mr. 123 and this is going to be my first tutorial on Gamemaker. So this is going to be a tutorial on platform engine. So what you're going to need for this tutorial is number one, 2 sprites, a player and ground, and that's what you need to start off with. So once you made that, resume the video and we'll begin. So now you're just going to make a script. Now for those of you who don't know what a script is, it's basically just one big script that you can enable or disable a piece of code, so you don't have to type the code every time you want to use it. So you just do script execute str whatever and you'll be using it. So for this script, let's call it str gravity for script, and we're making gravity in the script. So code is if place 3 x comma y plus 1, sorry, and we're going to do squiggly brackets gravity equals 0.5 else open bracket gravity gravity equals 0. Now you're probably wondering, what the hell is this? Well, for those of you who already know how to do gravity, this is basically a code of the drag and drop of gravity. So what it means is if there is nothing beneath you, then gravity will kick in and bring you down, and if there is something beneath you, else, then gravity won't do anything. So yeah, just tick that, and now we're going to go to ground and just click solid. That's all you need to do for that. And obj player, you're going to add event step control drag the code, and this is the code. So what the code is script, make sure you don't use capital letters for those things, execute bracket str gravity, or whatever you call your script. I call it str gravity. Yep. So now we're going to make a move left and right. So if keyboard underscore check and then vk underscore right and then and place 3 bracket x plus 5 comma y and then space squiggly bracket or open bracket x plus equals 5. There's something wrong apparently. Oh yeah, there it is. Close bracket. So now this just means every time you hold right or press right, you will go right. So now we're going to copy and paste that beneath it and just change the right to left and change the right to left and change the minuses to change the pluses to minuses. I can't talk today. And finally we're going to make him jump. So if keyboard check press. So this is different because you want him just when you press it, he goes up. So not if you hold it, he'll just keep on going up. You don't want him to just press up, he'll go up. Even if you press and hold, he'll just go up once. So yeah, you can either do VK space or VK up. I'm going to do VK space. And you're going to do and exclamation mark place 3. Now you need an exclamation mark, which is not, and then x comma y plus 1, and you do open bracket v speed minus equals 15 close bracket. Now that just means you'll go up, and this piece of code means not. So if there's not something beneath you, then you will go up. So add event collision with obj ground, which is, yeah, you know what I mean. Well, if you don't, it just means touch ground, and you're going to do move tack, solid, bracket, direction, comma 12, v speed equals 0. Now this just means when you touch a solid you will move left or right and you can move, but you can't go through it, so that'll be helpful. So just make a room here quickly, settings, name it whatever you want. I'll just call it room level 1. Objects, make the snap 32 by 32 because that's how big our sprites are. Hold shift and drag your ground. Now just drop the player in, make a few platforms and just play. So sorry, I named my gravity. I spelt my name wrong. So I spelt my thing wrong. So just did just spell it right. There we go. Now don't do what I do. Just spell your script right, and now it should work. So gravity there. We can move. Space to jump. Yep. You can only press it once. What was that? So yeah. So that's how to make a simple gravity. If you don't like how high it jumps, you can always go to player, step, and change the V speed minus equals to like 5 if you wanted them to stay lower to the ground so you can't jump as high. So now you can only jump that high, but you can do it to 10. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. This is one of many tutorials on Gamemaker. I'll be making other tutorials on like Photoshop, Sony Vegas and all that. So this is Tutorial Master 123 signing out.